over the rainbow.
Too high now!
Hello everyone. Today Dee Dee Sunshine is going to show you how to weave a hanging basket. Where's a couple of your examples there, dear, that you've already done? Hold them up. One.
Yes.
She already made two on the dinghy ride back to the boat. So we went up to the Danao public market area and she bought a bundle of, what is this, reeds? These are the leaves from the reeds?
Coconut leaves.
They're coconut leaves.
Yeah.
Okay. And that bundle has, she said, 50 or 60 of those little fronds in it.
Yeah.
For a whopping, what was it?
60 pieces rock bundle.
How much did it cost?
20 pesos.
20 pesos for that bundle of 60. Now,
This is the way how to
this,
weave.
you see she's weaving it there.
I don't know how to explain, but watch for me.
That's okay, we'll do another one here. It's actually a pretty simple process.
Other side. Okay, this is, make it tight.
So she does it. The first does the weave kind of loose and then goes back through and pulls the slack out of it. Make it a snug little bundle. Is what you do to create a hanging bundle or a hanging rice little woven basket.
1 piece of leaves, coconut leaves.
Okay, see how
Get the
it opens
stick.
up?
Get the stick out from the leaves.
Okay.
Cut a little bit here. Then opened.
Okay, so she takes the stem out of the leaf, and that leaves two pieces joined together by the root of the stem, or whatever you would call it.
Okay.
Okay, now she takes one and goes under and over her hand. Okay.
This one here.
And that one goes over the hand the other way.
Yeah. Then in here.
It starts weaving.
Okay. This one here. Then put in here. This one also here. Here. Other side, the same, but you need to get in here to form. Not solo.
So that's the basic bundle. Now what she'll do... Okay, so now she has the basic bundle, and what she'll do is go through and pull the extra out.
Yes.
So you got to work it around.
Follow the alignment. here. Good.
And there you have it. There is a hanging rice basket. Now, what do you do with that, sweetie? You just put the rice in there and
Yes, put the rice in here
then in the top.
at the top. Then make sure that the rice is until here, below this level.
Okay.
Here. So that
Okay.
the rice will have rooms to grow here, until here.
Until it can expand. And then
Yeah.
what do you do? Do you boil it or steam it or what do you do?
Steam.
Steam.
Yeah.
So you steam the little basket full of rice, and the
Mm.
rice swells up as it absorbs the moisture, and it'll
Yes.
pack that little basket tight.
Mm.
Well, thank you, Miss Dee Dee Sunshine, for your wonderful instructions on how to make your very own hanging rice basket.
You're welcome,